So in dividing fraction, first you just copy the first fraction, which is 1 over 4. And then instead of division, you have to change it into multiplication. So change the division into multiplication and then swap the second fraction, which is 5 over 4. So 5 will go down and 4 will go up. So that will become 4 over 5. Then after that, as you can see, both 4 are divisible by 4. So we can just cancel out that one. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then the 4 on top is divisible also by 4, which is also 1. And then you multiply directly 1 times 1, which is 1. And then 1 times 5 is 5. So to simplify this fraction, that is equal to 1 over 5. When you are dividing 1 over 4 divided by 5 over 4. Okay? Alright, let's have another one. So if you have 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5, so all you have to do is copy the first fraction, which is 2 over 3. Then change division into multiplication. And that one. And then swap the position of 4 over 5. So 4 will go down and 5 will go up. So which is, it will become 5 over 4. And then multiply directly 2 times 5. Yeah, like that. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And then 3 times 4 is equal to 12. But as you can see, 10 over 12 is divisible by 2 to get the lowest term or the simplest form. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So therefore, when you divide 2 over 3 by 4 over 5, the answer is 5 over 6 in its simplest form.